In this aid, we will voice our for the most part own and market's viewpoint on TWT future while talking about the Trust Wallet token cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to, in every practical sense, believe this in any for the most part other expectation tentatively, since anticipating anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Trust Wallet extremely token. Presently, how about we head into it, which is very huge, before we dive especially profound into the Trust Wallet especially token value expectation and answer questions in the event that TWT is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will TWT succeed or especially come up short, or for what reason will believe wallet fundamentally token value rise or drop? We should rapidly in a real sense toss a look at what TWT is and its to-date history. TWT value expectation for the following 10 days, which by and large is very huge. The essentially entire crypto world is on an edge of a fundamentally complete breakdown, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin by and large has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will generally be somewhat more blood in the city of the crypto town in a significant manner. Financial backers generally are selling hazardous resources and moving into genuinely more steady business sectors, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and subsequently the auction, which is very critical. Our algo still sees a green in 2023, particularly in the very second piece of the extended time of some kind or another. This is really reflected in our 2023 forecasts. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to sort of do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and genuinely later history in a significant manner. Our cost expectation model in every way that really matters is negative for the genuinely next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other a lot greater players in the market to sort of wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. 2022 1201, which is genuinely huge, plus 3.16% $2 05 2022 1204, 2.07% $1 95 2022 1205, which basically is genuinely critical, 3.51% $1 92 2022 1206, plus 3.90% $2 06 2022 1207 in an essentially large manner, 2.16% $1 94 2022 1208, plus 1.75% $2 02 2022 1209, plus 0.51% $2 00 2022 1210. 4.37% $1.90 Trust Wallet token value forecast 2022, in opposition to mainstream thinking. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, or so they most certainly thought. At the point when we explicitly take the inside crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 sort of isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will likely in a real sense see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to generally slip lower with each fundamentally minor market quake, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately, or so they thought. Underneath really is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 deck. 14.73% $1.69 2023 Jan. 21.66% $1.56 2023 Feb in an unpretentious manner. 26.00% $1.47 2023 blemish, in spite of prevalent thinking. 19.72% $1.59 2023 APRA. 12.64% $1.74 2023 May. 11.78% $1.75 2023 June. 2.29% $1.94 2023 Jul. 3.16% $1.92 2023 Aug. Plus 2.06% $2.03 2023 Sep, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Plus 5.24% $2.09 2023 Oct in a significant manner. Plus 12.72% $2.24 2023 Nav in a significant manner. plus 15.20%, $2.29 TWT value forecast 2025. In spite of mainstream thinking, our forecast model sees TWT coming to $4.01 in 2025. What will TWT especially be worth in 5 years? The cost of TWT in 5 years could really lie around $3.50 in an unpretentious manner. Trust Wallet by and large symbolic value forecast 2030 to 2040 as opposed to mainstream thinking. What Trust Wallet token will be especially worth in 2030 in an unpretentious manner? Our gauging model sees Trust Wallet most certainly token coming to $10.03 in 2030. What Trust Wallet for the most part token will sort of be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Trust Wallet sort of token coming to $20.06 in 2040. We'll believe wallet token substitute really outperform, generally surpass Bitcoin in a sort of significant manner. No, Trust Wallet token won't supplant or basically overwhelm BTC in an especially huge manner. Can believe wallet sort of token truly reach $10 or so they thought? Indeed, Trust Wallet token could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. By and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. Can Trust Wallet token reach $100, which is very huge? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Trust Wallet token to reach $100 in the extremely short or midterm period. Will Trust Wallet genuinely token reach $1,000? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Trust Wallet token to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Trust Wallet token, all things considered, worth purchasing? We are promoters of tolerably hazardous money management. Contribute the majority of actually your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of especially enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with immense potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Trust Wallet sort of token is especially worth purchasing. Is Trust Wallet really token a wise interest? Incredibly, Trust Wallet token is very much like all kind of other digital forms of money, an unsafe interest in a kind of large manner. It really does especially have higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, all-around plan tokenomics, exceptionally dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. How much will believe wallet token be worth, which sort of is genuinely huge? For the most part momentary future, it could reach $1.25 in a truly significant manner. In the extremely long haul, it could leap to $10.03 or significantly higher in an unpretentious manner. For what reason will believe wallet tokens succeed and generally get more expensive, which most certainly is very huge? Trust Wallet token has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a sort of strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and that generally is the reason our expectation model sees Trust Wallet token ascending to $10.03 in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. For what reason will believe wallet token truly fizzle and drop in cost? Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors in a genuinely significant manner. The absolute undoubtedly normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task, controllers really proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, essentially more